to our channel, Life Snapshot. If you haven't seen my video earlier, I started to do an unboxing of all the stuff I got from a deceased estate. I think I got my wires mixed up. I spent about $1,500, and so far very happy with. I've probably covered most of about half my cost. Okay, but that's not the point anyway. I'm going to keep this stuff because it's a deceased estate, and I promised the guy who I bought it off that I'd be committed to rebuilding this and putting it on display in my home, because I love the passion. So if you love that type of thing, please, haven't gone through these boxes. I've still got about another 12 or 10 boxes out there to do. Also, if you guys want to go and check out Evelyn's kitchen, she is trying out some new stuff. She's a wonderful cook, and she likes to show people how she cooks and stuff like that. So it's called Evelyn's Kitchen. It's on the same channel, Life Snapshot. Thanks to everybody subscribed so far. Really appreciate your support. If it's your first time here, please think about subscribing, hit the likes button and notification. So here we go again. Now I'm not sure what these are. I think they might be little LEDs. Kind of cool. And I do not know what these are. What's this got here? It just says Marlboro accessory. I've got no idea, but they're unopened. How cool is that? They're unopened. I do not know what they are. Some sort of gates, maybe? Anyway, there's a whole bunch of them in here. 1, 2, 3, and some loose ones. Nothing else whoop-de-doo in there. Put that there, put that there. Cool, look at this, unopened. Looks like a some sort of station. How cool is that? Unopened. Still on the plastic. I love it. So cool. I'll put that there. We got a lot of junk in this one. I suppose you wouldn't want to call this junker. This is a cable tracker. Cable trackers, like, you know, you're probably talking, you know, $20 each, something like that, especially in Australia. So, and there's a stack of stuff in this one. What's this? Looks like some sort of model. Some sort of model. And as you can see, there's. We dig a little deeper. There's a couple of these. I do not know what they are. Let me have a look at the other one. The other one's probably more self-explanatory. Oh, it's like a little coal cart or something like that. There's 2 of them in there. There's one. Looks like there's 2. There's this thing. It looks like some sort of industrial building of some sort. We've got a built house, a house that's already built, which is kind of cool. I'll still, you know, I'll find some way to use that on the actual display. It won't probably be till next year that I decide to start this. It's just part. It looks like there's some sort of building. So there's some sort of industrial building type thing. There's another one of these. It looks like that. So that's kind of cool. All this is German, so you know, it's top quality stuff. Very detailed. We appreciate you coming along. This is really exciting to me. I love doing this type of thing. Okay, it looks like there's, you know, not much in there now. Just a bit of bits and pieces that most probably binnable. A whole lot of that, and I'll put that one aside. I'll get this one going. This one looks more interesting. So we've got, I do not know what that is. It's like it's German or Switzerland or something like that. So I've got no idea what. Trucks and bicycle track. That's very cool. Unopened. Awesome. One of those little cart things again. So there's two of those. What's this one? Looks like a whole, like some sort of outhouse, sheds and tools. Outhouse, sheds and tools. That's kind of cool. Not kinda. It is cool. Looks like probably an opened, but looks complete. Little shed thing. Looks like looks complete in there. I'll always find something to use for it. I do not know what they are, but I don't look that interesting. And what do we got here? We got Outland models. Two of these. Two little Outland model things. Upside down. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah, cool little Outland models. Looks like some sort of... Is it made in England? I'll find a use for it. Look at this, unopened, or maybe is opened. Occupational farm crossing gates. Amazing, isn't it? No, maybe not open. Maybe just that's just come out, so that's kind of cool. What's this one? Yard crane. Look at that. How sweet is that? And that's pretty much it. It's just a bit of bits and pieces. So anyway, there's another two done. It's probably close to $50-60 here. Like I said, I've done now 2 boxes. Check out the other video. I've done 2 before this, and now this is another 2. The other 2 were bigger than this. I reckon an easy 700 to $700 worth. So far I only paid $1,500, so I'm halfway there and I'm not even halfway through, and I've got the locos and stuff to go, the goodness. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. All the best, and I hope you look forward to the next video of what we're going to find next. Awesome. Take care, guys.